The next one is uploading malicious file, polyglots. So polyglot is a term defined by something like use the several language, multiple language. So if we carry this concept into hacking, it means the creation of cross-site scripting attack vector by using the different language as a execution point. So for example, attacker can construct the valid image and embed it with the JavaScript. Then the placement of JavaScript payload is usually the comment section of the image. So once the image is loaded into the browser, XSS content may be executed. So depending on the uh, strictness of the content type declared by the web server, the interpretation of the content type by the browser. So by using this type uh, of uploading the malicious file, we can also execute the XSS in web server end. So for this, we will do the lab first. So just uploading malicious file polyglot. So first we are opening our lab. For this, we have to open the webgot. Enter username, password, guest, UST. For the malicious execution, we have to search that. First, start the webgot malicious execution. Okay, this one malicious file execution. Okay, okay. For this testing, we have to also open the particular. We have to download the JPG file cross-site scripting vulnerability from Portsiger blog. This is the link. You can read that blog. It's a very good article. We are just checking that blog, and we have to download this XSS image, which is embedded with the cross-site scripting. Or you can just check this blog as well as and just click on the JPG image and just save this image. So because it's embedded with the cross-site scripting. So first we will go to the our lab first. Okay, we have saved this file on desktop. Just click on save as image. Just open the new image. First we are intercepting the request, so just enable intercept on in desktop XSS. Okay, now start upload. Okay, this one is not forward. Okay, now this image is now make sure turn off the our intercept and just check this burp shoot. Uh, Now we have to create the one malicious file in HTML using providing this path for this lab. So in order to pass this lesson, upload a run malicious file. In order to prove that the your file can execute, it should be created another file name here. So we have to copy that particular path and just we have created HTML file java io.file is equal to new and java.io.file and just paste the provided path and just save that as a any JSP file. You can give any JSP file name. Okay, just close it and open that particular file, .jsp file, and start upload. So here we can share that the your current image is unrecognized. So we have to just copy that file copy image address or copy image location, just and paste it here. Okay, now just refresh it here. So in this lab we are able to uh, uh, upload we can upload the malicious files such as a polyglot without any detection from the web server. And here we can see that the message, congratulations, you successfully complete this lesson. So due to this unrestricted file upload vulnerability, we can upload the malicious file such as a polyglot without a detection of the web server. So many sites allow a image to be uploaded. So developer must ensure that the search as do not carry XSS payload within them. And protection in this area can be in form of magic number checks or specific proxy server screening to all upload files. So many proxy devices are deployed before the web servers. The, they are just continuously monitoring and restricting this type of payload malicious file. Okay, so this is all about the upload of malicious files polygons. We have done this lab in WebGot.